Something is
T.
inside the bushes.
O.
What is
Hi.
it?
Is a big bad wolf. I will catch you. Ha ha ha.
Quickly, quickly, go, go, go.
Aha.
Run away, run away.
Sunday.
The wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows, blows,
Sun-
blows. Everything that's
Yeah,
in his
tiger.
way. Run away, run away. The wolf
Tiger.
is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows,
Tiger.
blows, blows. Everything that's in his way.
River.
Where is the
River.
big bad wolf?
Good job.
Yeah.
Right here.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Let's learn letters. What's in here? This is so cool. Letter A, apple. Letter I, ice cream. Letter Q, quail. Letter Z, oops, zebra. Anything else? Next. Letter B, banana. Letter J, jam. Letter R, radio. Let's keep going. Yellow candy, awesome. Letter C, clock. Letter K, king. Letter N, nest. Letter S, shoes. We're moving on. Green candy. Letter D, dolphin. Letter U, umbrella. Letter H, house. Letter E, elephant. Letter T, TV. Letter M, monkey. Letter L, lion. The next egg. Whoa, so bright. Letter F, fish. No, I will grab it, don't worry. Letter G, grapes. Letter O, oven. Letter P, parrot. Letter W, whale. Oh, here's X for Christmas. Letter V, vegetables. And the last one, letter Y, yacht. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job, kids. See you soon.
I saw Daddy fixing the car, and I think it will be fun if we help Daddy today.
C.
Fix his car right away.
Wow! L. O. V. Y. A. B. C.
Cat. Books. Dog. Map.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
It's ice cream, delicious ice cream. I wanna try it. Yeah, this is my dream. It is my favorite treat. Right now I'm gonna eat. Ice cream is wonderful.
Whoa! A B C D E F G. Great! Great! 2 7
Oh no!
E C D.
Yes!
Wow! Yeah!
Huh? What?
Hello? S U N sun. Huh? Wow! Dog. Pin. Yeah. Cat. Bed. Sun.
Good job.
Uh-huh.
Aha, great.
Listen up, my friends. It's time for a pretty perfect slice of paper bag pizza perfection with this make. This tasty pizza is just a paper bag. Its edges are rolled up to make a crust with lots of toppings cut from card. Take a brown paper bag, glue the bottom and start rolling the bag into a pizza crust. Let it dry and then cut the bag into a triangle shape. Paint the tomato sauce onto your pizza slice. I'm using red paint. I've made lots of pizza toppings by cutting coloured card into shapes. Cheese, mushrooms, olives, pepperoni, pineapple, ham and onion. But you can make anything you like. What's your favourite topping? Then stick your toppings to the pizza. Finally, I've made some olives by hole punching small circles of black card. Hello, my friends. Now, what do elephants watch in the evening? They watch television. Ha! And that reminds me of today's fantastic elephant make. First, fold a large piece of card in half and carefully cut a wiggly shape like this, rounding off the corners to create elephant ears. Glue these to the back of the paper bag like this. Then use lots of paper and card shapes for the elephant's mouth, tusks, trunk and feet. Fold the trunk shape over on itself, back and forth. Now stick everything onto your elephant. And add extra detail with a pen. Once you've added a big elephant smile, you're done. Elefantastic! This is a make you'll want to snap up right away. In fact, you could say it's picture perfect. But don't worry, you'll be able to make it in a flash. Get ready to say cheese for this cool card camera. First, take a small cardboard box and paint it any colour you like. When it's dry, you can add the different camera parts. How about a sticker for the flash, a bottle top for the lens, and a piece of ribbon for the strap? Add the bead on top for the button, and smile! Oh look, it's the shapes! Picture perfect!